This short traces the 3D printer's rise from industrial curiosity to a kitchen table companion, reshaping design and manufacturing. In 1984, Charles Hull introduced stereolithography, the first commercial 3D printing method, paving the way for rapid prototyping. By the 1990s, laser sintering and extrusion printers expanded from prototypes to actual production parts for aerospace and medical applications. The 2000s brought affordable desktop FDM machines and a rainbow of filaments, fueling hobbyists and startups. Today, metal and bioprinting push beyond plastics, hinting at a future of personalized parts and engineered tissues.